Hi everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to create a Python file in Visual Studio Code. Before we begin, make sure that Python is installed on your system. If it's not already installed, go to the official Python website and download the latest version for your operating system. Since I'm installing it on Windows, you'll need to download the version suitable for your operating system. Once you've downloaded the installer, complete the installation process on your system. Now, open Visual Studio Code. Before creating a Python file, ensure that the Python extension is installed. To do this, click the extensions icon on the left sidebar, search for Python, and install the one provided by Microsoft if you haven't already. Now, let's create your Python file. Start by clicking on File in the top menu and selecting New File. After that, Visual Studio Code may prompt you to select the type of file you want to create. Choose Python from the options provided. Once the Python file is selected, you can start typing your code. For example, try this simple line. After writing your code, save the file. In the Save dialog, choose a location and name your file something like example.py. Once you've saved the file with the .py extension, you can run your Python code. Simply click on the Run button at the top right corner of the editor. When you run your code for the first time, Visual Studio Code may prompt you to install some additional components required to run the Python code. Make sure to install them, as they are necessary for executing your program. When you do this, the output will appear in the terminal section at the bottom of Visual Studio Code. That's it for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. Bye-bye.